Ever wondered how to turn zero-cost traffic into a goldmine of CPA earnings? In today's digital landscape, the power of free traffic methods cannot be overstated. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to maximize your CPA earnings with free traffic methods. Picture this. You found an irresistible CPA offer with the potential to generate substantial commissions. Excitedly, you dive into paid advertising, hoping to see immediate returns. But soon you realize the harsh reality. Escalating ad costs, fierce competition, and unpredictable results. It's like trying to navigate a maze blindfolded, with your budget dwindling at every turn. Now imagine a different scenario. You're harnessing the power of free traffic methods to drive targeted visitors to your CPA offers. With each click costing you nothing, every conversion becomes a victory without the looming dread of budget constraints. This isn't a fantasy. It's a strategic approach that savvy marketers use to dominate their niches. In this video, we'll demystify CPA marketing and show you how to leverage free traffic methods to your advantage. Whether you're a seasoned marketer looking to amplify your earnings or a newcomer eager to make your mark, this guide is your roadmap to success. But why focus on free traffic methods, you might ask? The answer is simple. They offer unparalleled scalability, sustainability, and cost-effectiveness. By mastering these techniques, you'll not only boost your CPA earnings, but also future-proof your online business. So, if you're ready to ditch the endless cycle of ad spend and unlock the full potential of CPA marketing, then keep watching. Get ready to revolutionize your approach and skyrocket your earnings with our proven strategies for free traffic success. Understanding CPA. To embark on our journey of maximizing CPA earnings, it's essential to grasp the fundamentals of CPA marketing. At its core, CPA, or cost per action, is a performance-based advertising model where advertisers pay publishers a commission for specific actions taken by the audience. These actions could range from signing up for a newsletter to making a purchase or filling out a form. Unlike traditional advertising models that focus on impressions or clicks, CPA marketing revolves around tangible results. Advertisers only pay when a desired action is completed, making it a highly efficient and measurable form of marketing. Imagine you're promoting a fitness app through CPA marketing. Instead of paying for ad space and hoping for clicks, you only pay when someone downloads the app or signs up for a trial. This direct correlation between expenditure and results empowers advertisers to optimize their campaigns for maximum ROI. CPA offers come in various forms, catering to diverse niches and audiences. Some common types of CPA offers include lead generation, trial offers, app installs, email submits, and product sales. This versatility allows marketers to find offers that align with their target audience's interests and preferences. In essence, CPA marketing is a win-win situation for both advertisers and publishers. Advertisers benefit from paying only for actual results, while publishers have the opportunity to monetize their traffic effectively. By understanding the mechanics of CPA marketing, you'll be better equipped to navigate the landscape and leverage free traffic methods to supercharge your earnings. So, buckle up as we dive deeper into the world of CPA marketing and unveil the secrets to success. Benefits of free traffic methods. In the realm of digital marketing, the allure of paid advertising often steals the spotlight. However, the untapped potential of free traffic methods holds immense value for savvy marketers seeking to maximize their CPA earnings. Let's explore the compelling benefits of leveraging free traffic methods. First and foremost, free traffic methods offer a cost-effective alternative to paid advertising. While paid campaigns require continuous investment to maintain visibility, free traffic methods allow you to generate organic traffic without incurring its spend. This translates to higher profit margins and a more sustainable marketing strategy in the long run. Moreover, free traffic methods provide a level playing field for marketers of all backgrounds and budgets. Unlike paid advertising, which often favors those with deep pockets, free traffic methods rely on creativity, strategy, and execution rather than financial resources. This democratization of marketing empowers individuals and small businesses to compete on equal footing with industry giants. Furthermore, free traffic methods offer greater scalability and longevity compared to paid campaigns. Once you've laid the groundwork for organic traffic generation, the results can compound over time, leading to exponential growth without the need for constant investment. Additionally, free traffic methods are less susceptible to market fluctuations and algorithm changes, providing a more stable foundation for your marketing efforts. By harnessing the power of free traffic methods, marketers can unlock new opportunities for audience engagement, brand visibility, and revenue generation. Whether through search engine optimization, content marketing, social media engagement, or email outreach, the possibilities are limitless. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, mastering free traffic methods is not just a choice. It's a strategic imperative for maximizing CPA earnings and building a sustainable business for the future. Top free traffic methods for CPA. Now that we understand the compelling benefits of free traffic methods, let's delve into some of the most effective strategies for maximizing your CPA earnings. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is a cornerstone of free traffic generation, focusing on optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. By conducting keyword research, optimizing on-page elements, and building quality backlinks, you can attract organic traffic and increase your visibility to potential CPA leads. Social media marketing. Social media platforms provide powerful channels for engaging with your audience and driving traffic to your CPA offers. By creating compelling content, fostering community engagement, and leveraging targeted advertising features, you can harness the vast reach of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to generate free traffic and maximize your CPA earnings. Content marketing. Content marketing involves creating valuable, relevant content to attract and engage your target audience. Whether through blog posts, articles, videos, or infographics, quality content not only drives organic traffic but also establishes your authority in your niche. By strategically incorporating CPA offers within your content, you can seamlessly guide your audience towards taking the desired actions while providing them with valuable insights and information. Email marketing. Building an email list is a valuable asset for driving free traffic to your CPA offers. By nurturing your subscribers with valuable content, personalized recommendations, and targeted promotions, you can cultivate a loyal audience who is more likely to convert on your CPA offers. Additionally, email marketing allows for segmentation and automation, enabling you to deliver tailored messages to different segments of your audience based on their interests and behaviors. By implementing these top free traffic methods, you can amplify your CPA earnings and build a sustainable marketing strategy that delivers long-term results. So roll up your sleeves and get ready to harness the power of free traffic to unlock new opportunities for success in the world of CPA marketing. Case studies. Let's dive into real-life examples of successful CPA campaigns that have leveraged free traffic methods to achieve impressive results. Case Study 1. SEO Mastery Drives CPA Success. In this case study, a digital marketing agency specializing in e-commerce sought to increase conversions for a client's CPA offer, a subscription-based meal delivery service. By implementing advanced SEO strategies, including keyword optimization, content creation, and backlink building, the agency was able to significantly improve the client's website visibility in search engine results. As a result, organic traffic to the CPA offer increased by 150%, leading to a 75% boost in conversions within 6 months. This demonstrates the power of SEO in driving targeted, high-converting traffic to CPA offers. Case Study 2. Social media engagement sparks CPA growth. A fitness influencer partnered with a CPA network to promote a weight loss supplement offer. Leveraging her strong presence on Instagram, she created engaging content showcasing her fitness journey and the benefits of the supplement. By actively engaging with her audience, responding to comments, and hosting live Q&A sessions, she fostered a sense of community and trust among her followers. As a result, the influencer achieved a conversion rate of 10% from her Instagram traffic, exceeding the industry average. This case study highlights the importance of social media engagement in driving free traffic and maximizing CPA earnings. By analyzing these case studies, we can glean valuable insights into the strategies and tactics that contribute to CPA success. Whether through SEO mastery, social media engagement, or content marketing prowess, these examples illustrate the immense potential of free traffic methods in achieving your CPA goals. So take inspiration from these success stories and apply the lessons learned to your own CPA campaigns for optimal results. Tools and resources. To streamline your efforts in maximizing CPA earnings with free traffic methods, it's essential to leverage the right tools and resources. Here are some recommended tools and resources to help you succeed. SEO tools. VidIQ is a specialized SEO tool designed specifically for YouTube content creators. It offers a range of features to optimize videos for search and improve channel performance, with tools for keyword research, video analytics, competitor analysis, SEO recommendations, channel management, and trend alerts. VidIQ helps YouTubers grow their audience, increase visibility, and maximize engagement. Its focus on YouTube-specific optimization makes it an invaluable asset for creators looking to enhance their presence and success on the platform. Social media management platforms? Hootsuite is a leading social media management platform that enables businesses to streamline their social media activities. It offers multi-platform management, allowing users to oversee multiple social media accounts from a single dashboard. With features such as scheduling and publishing, content curation, analytics and reporting, social listening, team collaboration, and security and compliance, Hootsuite provides a comprehensive solution for managing all aspects of social media presence effectively. Its user-friendly interface and extensive feature set make it a top choice for businesses of all sizes aiming to enhance their social media strategy and engagement. Content creation and optimization. Canva is a versatile graphic design platform that empowers users to create stunning visual content with ease, offering a wide range of templates, images, fonts, and design elements. Canva caters to both beginners and professionals alike. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and user-friendly tools, users can effortlessly design various materials such as presentations, social media graphics, posters, flyers, logos, and more. Canva's accessibility, extensive library of assets, and collaborative features make it a go-to solution for individuals, businesses, and organizations seeking to produce high-quality designs efficiently and creatively. Grammarly is a leading digital writing assistant that helps users enhance their writing quality and correctness. With its advanced AI technology, Grammarly detects and corrects grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style errors in real time across various writing platforms, including web browsers, desktop applications, and mobile devices. Additionally, Grammarly provides personalized suggestions for improving clarity, tone, and conciseness, helping users communicate more effectively and confidently. Its user-friendly interface, seamless integration, and comprehensive feedback make Grammarly an indispensable tool for students, professionals, writers, and anyone who wants to polish their writing effortlessly. Email marketing platforms. HubSpot provides a comprehensive suite of integrated marketing, sales, and customer service software designed to help businesses attract, engage, and delight customers. Its core services include Marketing Hub for inbound marketing, Sales Hub for sales automation, Service Hub for customer service and support, CMS Hub for website content management, and Operations Hub for streamlining processes and data sync across teams. HubSpot's services are built on the principles of inbound marketing, focusing on creating valuable content, attracting qualified leads, and providing exceptional customer experiences to help businesses grow better. Analytics and tracking. Google Analytics is a powerful web analytics service provided by Google that helps businesses track and analyze website traffic and user behavior. It provides insights into key metrics such as website visits, page views, bounce rates, session durations, and conversion rates. With Google Analytics, businesses can understand how users interact with their website, allows businesses to create custom-branded short links, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize their online presence and marketing efforts. Rebrandly is a URL shortening and link management platform that allows businesses to create custom-branded short links. It provides features such as branded link creation, link tracking, analytics, and link retargeting. Rebrandly helps businesses increase brand visibility, improve link trust, and track link performance effectively. If you would like to check these tools, all the links are in the description below. By leveraging these tools and resources, you can optimize your CPA marketing efforts, streamline your workflow, and maximize your earnings with free traffic methods. Remember to continuously evaluate and refine your strategies based on data and insights gleaned from these tools for ongoing success. Best practices and tips. To ensure your success in maximizing CPA earnings with free traffic methods, it's crucial to follow best practices and implement effective strategies. Here are some key tips to keep in mind. Consistent content creation. Regularly publish high-quality, relevant content that resonates with your target audience. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Keyword research and optimization. Conduct thorough keyword research to identify relevant terms and phrases with high search volume and low competition. Optimize your content, meta tags, and headers with targeted keywords to improve your chances of ranking in search engine results. Engage with your audience. Actively engage with your audience on social media, forums, and community platforms to foster relationships and build trust. Respond promptly to comments, messages, and inquiries to demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction. Test and iterate. Continuously test different strategies, tactics, and content formats to identify what resonates best with your audience. Use A/B testing to optimize your landing pages, email campaigns, and social media posts for maximum effectiveness. Stay updated and adapt. Keep abreast of industry trends, algorithm changes, and best practices to ensure your strategies remain effective. Be willing to adapt and pivot your approach based on new insights, feedback, and market dynamics. Monitor and analyze performance. Regularly monitor key metrics and analytics data to gauge the effectiveness of your CPA campaigns and traffic generation efforts. Use data-driven insights to identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions about resource allocation and strategy adjustments. By embracing free traffic methods such as SEO, social media marketing, content creation, and email outreach, you can reduce your reliance on paid advertising and build a more resilient and profitable business. These strategies offer unparalleled scalability, cost-effectiveness, and long-term sustainability, making them essential tools in your marketing arsenal. Remember, success in CPA marketing is not defined by overnight victories or instant gratification, but by the cumulative impact of strategic efforts and continuous improvement over time. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for joining us on this journey. See you next time.